Hello, hello. Today we are visiting the La Fortuna Waterfalls at Costa Rica. Make sure to add this in your vacation plan if you're visiting Costa Rica. You don't need to book this in advance. You can directly go there and buy the tickets. If the children are under 10, the ticket is free. Be prepared for the rain. Carry the rain jacket and the mosquito repellent spray. They are approximately 500 steps. You should go down and climb up. Once you go down, you can swim in the water as weather permits. We, the travel turtles, had an amazing time visiting these waterfalls. If you're lucky, you can able to see the sloths and iguanas.
This is the waterfall. A waterfall. We're up.
It's gonna be fun.
This is gonna be even going down to the woods. 200 steps. 200. So there's 200 steps here. I'm afraid of heights.
One with a brown color. And completely shrunk. Let's say that 20 years ago there used to be another thread that is something I also forgot to tell you. Oh, this is safe, but we can walk. There used to be another trail. Completely rural, just rock.
Up after the waterfalls. Rayansh, are we there yet? Are we there yet?